The Eastar 61 keys electric piano is a versatile instrument offering 350 tones, rhythms, and demonstration songs, perfect for beginners to explore a wide range of musical styles. This digital piano is equipped with a variety of functions such as metronome, chord features, and MP3 compatibility, making it suitable for both practice and entertainment in different settings. The piano provides excellent sound quality through full-range speakers and includes headphone connectivity for quiet practice sessions, ensuring a pleasant learning experience. Built with safe ABS plastic, the keyboard is designed with beginner-friendly key sizes, facilitating an easy entry into the world of music for children. It features 3 teaching functions and a clear LCD screen, acting as a supportive guide to help beginners progress from novice to advanced levels effortlessly. Weighing only 3 kilograms, this lightweight and portable electric piano can be powered by an adapter or batteries and comes with a complete set of accessories including a stand, bench, headset, and microphone.